Hello everyone and welcome again to the CAC and MI guys. So in the last lecture we have discussed about the introduction of HyperWorks suite. What are the different modules which are available within the HyperWorks suite and what are the different capability and application of HyperWorks that we have discussed. So from today we are going to start with the first module which is known as the Hypermesh. So we'll discuss how to start with the Hypermesh, how to open and save the files which you have created, what different options and tools which are available, organizing the model and controlling the display. That we will discuss in today's lecture. So this is the user interface which you will find when you will launch the Hypermesh. You will find this interface will be available to you. So the complete screen is divided into the multiple section. You will see at the top bar you will find some tools which are available to control, to rotate your model, to move your model, to change the axis, to import, to change the profile, like that some different tools which are available at the top bar. So you will find toolbar at the three location, at the top section, bottom section and the left hand side section which are available here. This is the first location where you will find different tools which are available. We will discuss one by one what are the different uses of this particular options which are available. And the second location you will find the option here. These are some different tools which are available, and the third you will find some more tools at the bottom bar of Hypermesh window. This is the known as the GUI, which is known as the graphics area or graphics window, and this window which is available at the left hand side, this is known as the tab area. You will find option for utility menu, model browser, mask by config, like that some different options are available. At the bottom bar you will find a main menu which is very important, and 80% of time you will use this particular window. So in the main menu you will find all the different tools are available to perform the meshing, perform the analysis. So when you will look at the main menu on the right hand side, you will find different options are available which is known as the menu pages. So when you will go one by one under the menu pages, you will find the option for the geometry, 1D, 2D, 3D, analysis, tools and post. So likewise when you will explore one by one, you will find different tools are available under each menu pages, which are very important when you are performing the meshing, when you are performing the 2D modeling, when you are performing the analysis. And at the end, at the bottom you will find one bar is available which is known as the status bar. So when you are performing some meshing, when you are performing some analysis, so some message will be available at this bottom bar. If you are getting any error, that will also available under this status bar. Now we will discuss about the modern GUI environment, and you can see the menu bar which is used for the meshing specifically. So when you will click on this particular icon which is available at the top panel, a mesh, because we want to perform a meshing. So just click on this particular icon, and under the mesh you will find different options are available, like create, you can create a line mesh, 2D auto mesh, tetra mesh, solid map, voxel mesh, shrink wrap mesh, acoustic cavity mesh, tetra mesh. So there are different type of meshing is available. So based on your model, based on your application, you will decide for your particular model which type of meshing is required. Likewise, if you want to edit your existing mesh, you can do. You want to assign the mesh to your model, that is also possible by using this option. If you want to delete some section or all the mesh, that is possible by using this particular icon. So likewise, you will find different meshing options are available under this mesh menu. The card edit, organize, check, translate, rotate, scaling, reflect, project, position, and everything else. Okay, so we will discuss one by one in the upcoming lecture what is the different use of each and every option which is available here. Likewise, you can explore the different options which are available, the geometry, the connection, material, property which are available. Okay. So I will upload this particular PPT with you on in the description box, so you can download this PPT and explore the graphical user interface of Hypermesh when you will get start with the Hypermesh module. Okay. So these are the some summary point of user interface of Hypermesh: the graphics area, toolbar, pull down menu, main pages, main menu, panel, sub panel, command window, tab area, status bar that we have discussed today. Okay, so that's it for today. In the upcoming lecture, we will just start with the meshing process. We will see how to import any model to the Hypermesh window, how to create a node, how to create meshing by using the Hypermesh module. That's it. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel and stay connected for upcoming lecture. Thank you.